back. How's everybody today? How are you guys all doing? I was actually here on time. I started the stream and I looked down. I just started talking and stuff, and I looked down and the stream shut itself off. So I had to reactivate it. I don't know what happened there. So anyways, it is what it is. Good thing I didn't carry a long conversation on with myself, eh? That would have been pretty boring. So yeah, anyways. I was looking at your guys' messages and that, and I did a little bit of math homework this morning, and AMC's down over three quarters of volume compared to usual, and there's one main catalyst that is kind of like it's like a virus. It's contagious. Everybody's talking about it, and you guys know what it is. And obviously, there's a couple of other ones that are contributing factors to it. Yeah. So, yeah, there's a bunch of stuff going on with that. So yeah, we'll get into that. And we'll discuss stuff like the dark pool and stuff like that, why it's down, and we're going to get into Vanguard selling most of their position. I got a bunch of information I checked up on and stuff, so we'll see. Most of it's pretty accurate. It's as much as you can get, you know what I mean? So I'll get in that, and I'll show you guys where I found the information, and you can just take it from there. Okay, I'm just going to set up Facebook here and jump over here and do that kind of stuff, and I'll be a minute like I always do about this time. Okay, yeah, and then I'll jump into, it's probably going to echo here a bit. If it is, enjoy the reverb, man. There's nothing I can do about it, guys. Wow, it's slow this morning. Okay, we're not going to play those games. I'm not going to fucking wait for that shit. Okay, so... Come on, YouTube. Wow, YouTube's just slow completely. Hey T, didn't I call that play, dude? One of our, I can't mention who it was. Somebody dumped 10 grand in it yesterday. I put 5 grand in yesterday on ADA. As soon as I got off here, I dumped 5 grand in. I have a margin thing. I got so much money on my AMC, in my stock accounts. I can go, the 25 grand you're supposed to have in there, they fucking lent it to me. I don't know. I'm through Wealthsimple up here, this trading platform. It's weird. Are we echoing? I don't even have the money. Well, I do have almost 100 grand in there, but it's invested in stocks. There's only 5 grand in there, and I got this notice that popped up, and it says that we're, what is it? Your margin. You have a $50,000 credit margin. I'm like, what the fuck is this shit? Yeah, Alina, you did too. I just bought yesterday. It's gonna go back around the $2 range, maybe even a little bit higher, hopefully. Of course, when it's gonna have a down pull with the fire sale, just hold that shit, right? It is what it is. way better play than Dogecoin, right? By far. Dogecoin will have its little time. It'll have a kick. It's not going to go crazy though. I just know a lot of people have sold their Doge, right? At least a lot of people. I just do statistics like on the channel. I know some people do hold it because of the price of it. They're hoping it's going to be worth something like Ethereum, and that would be a lot of fucking money, right? But it is what it is. Are we getting any echoing, guys, on this chat? On the I'm on that screen right here. I'm just going to pull up everything else here, get everything going. Okay, guys, I'm going to go through the names here, yeah. Purchasing now? T, you should have done it. Yeah, buddy. Oh, bud. Yeah, it's all good, bro. It's all good. I'm not going to ride your ass. You're my brother. You were one of the first people I gave that signal to, man. Wow. No echo. Okay, thanks, guys. The chat bar is just rocking today. Okay. Good morning, Christopher J. Good morning. These glasses. They're not good up close. Every time I put those glasses on, it's like they're a good luck omen. Every time I put these glasses on, I make money. Seriously, every time I put these glasses on, it's weird. Do you guys ever do something like that and it's just a coincidence? It's obviously just a coincidence. I sold Doge. See, Manjeet sold it. Like I know there's some people that hold it, of course, but like a lot of people have got rid of it, right? You can tell because Twitter is not every second fucking tweet isn't about Dogecoin and the fucking stupid dog on the screen, right? That was getting annoying there for a while. You couldn't even write anybody a thing without all this fucking dogs and shit on, and there was some cool. It was good for a while. Okay, good morning, Jay. Good morning, Aaron. Good morning, T, Citizen T. I did see Aaron. I did see your message there. Market open. Just give me a second here. Let's do this, wolf pack. Let's do this. Okay. Okay, I already said Lena, but I'll say it again. Gotta support the Canadians. Sanjay, good morning. Did you find out your link for your channel yet? Your YouTube thing there, Mr. Sanjay and Christopher? If you wouldn't mind going into your channel. You know how everybody has to have a channel when they join YouTube? They don't have to have any subs, but you have to actually connect to the platform. Do you mind going in there to find your URL for the channel, please? For your guys' channel? Because I'm actually officially making you moderators. I'm actually giving you rights to the channel now. It should be like that, right? Good morning. Did I miss anybody? It's really, my fucking eyes are bothering me this morning. Good morning, Warren. Everybody's in a good mood this morning. Good. Wow, a lot of talking is going on this morning. Good morning, Gloria. Rogue Island. Good morning. Raphael, good morning. Boston Strong, and that is 79, right? Isn't that right, my friend? Let's see if my photographic memory works. Joshua, good morning. D, good morning. We got a date, D, right after this stream. Are you up for it? I always liked older women, you know. I'm just fucking it. But you know what I mean, though, right? You're such a good person, man. I love talking to you. She's such a good person to talk to. you guys. Very decent person. Mr. L, good morning. Joshua already said that. Raphael. Jonathan. Is JP here? I thought I seen... There he is. There he is. Oh. There's our prospectors. The prospector boys. Yeah. Yeah, Raphael, yeah. That's I know that that's exactly what that's why I said that with Dogecoin will be like Ethereum and down hopefully in the future, right? Like there's some big changes happening, but there's still a fair amount of people that own it, right? It is what it is. Like my story back with Bitcoin. Bitcoin used to only be like 20 cents, okay, when I knew about it, okay, and no, less than that. It was it 20 cents or was it 0.0020 hundredths of a cent? I think it was. And we thought it was a fucking joke, something that you couldn't see. Like, oh, it was the biggest joke, and yeah, man, I wish I would have. No, I wouldn't be here right now if I would have done that, right? Okay, enough about that. I don't like talking about what ifs, but yeah, obviously you see that, right? See Boston Strong 79. See, I have a pretty good when it comes to numbers and stuff like that. The first time I wasn't paying attention, but yeah, I'm pretty good like that. Back to 30 Wolf back. I was just gonna go a day without looking at the stock screener. Okay, let's have a look here to see. It's at 7.50. I didn't even want to look at it right now. I was waiting for you guys to say something. See, because I have my glasses on. Every time I put my glasses on. Not selling my Doge. Yeah, Gloria, I wouldn't either. Check your email. Okay, thanks, Christopher. Depends on what you feel for your it's a coin, right? It's not a stock. Well, yeah, you can look at it. It's still, yeah, it still needs a ticket to execute the fucking order. So you can look at it both ways. But anyways, if you believe in your heart on something like that, like I do with a couple stocks, right? It is what it is. Somebody could just put it down until they're blue in the face, and you'll still stay with it because that's what you believe in, right? And that's good. That's good to have that. And even if say for instance, it could even happen with ADA. I highly doubt it, but it could be delisted. Okay, doesn't mean fuck all. If it doesn't trade on the open market, that doesn't mean anything. Okay, it still will trade as same as Dogecoin. It will still be available for sale on Coinbase and all these things, right? It just means that they can't regulate it. That's all. The loudest gun. Hey, buddy, how you doing? Yeah, Lena, I know. That's what you guys gotta. Lena, you're right. You gotta. Well, you don't have to do anything. It's not financial advice, but here's what I do, and I'm doing with it. I made a decision on what to buy. I have Ethereum, a whole $25 worth, right? Nothing really. That was my test. Well, it was free. It was through Wealthsimple, right? A lot of the Canadian stock traders up here will use my referral to get free stocks, right? And then I get a kickback from it too. It's like a slam dunk. I get a perk, you get a perk, right? Actually, it works out better for you guys. I think they're up to like $1,000 worth of stocks now if you hit it good. So yeah, we went back up to 31. I was talking about this yesterday. I said it wouldn't stay down. The lowest it would go down is 24, and we're still going to possibly see that, okay? I'm not being Mr. Negative, I'm preparing you for this, so don't fucking freak out around fucking my birthday on December 15th, the 14th, and the 15th if it's down low, okay? And then we're going to have a free sailing, okay? So it is what it is, right? We did our options the other day, yesterday, so we already know what channel it was in. We're getting near the end of the week now. They gotta put, they can't keep it below what we predicted, because then they would be wrong. No, I'm just joking. Well, no, it would be, because they'd be out of the money. Like they'd fuck themselves. So that's why I've been doing that channeling stuff, right? It's very accurate, not right to the dollar, but within $3 to $4. It is what it is. So we have this. We're at 6.50. We're probably gonna stay around there, or maybe go up a little bit higher, or have a little bit of a down pull. I could see us staying in the green today, though. Okay. Let's have a look. Our problem is volume. Okay. Yeah. And there's a lot of talk on YouTube, on Twitter, on fucking all of it about this volume shit, right? A lot of people have stopped buying, okay? That is going to hurt us. I don't care what anybody says. And then we also had a sell-off. Two institutions, Vanguard and another one, dumped not all of their shares. They liquidated some, which gave us the pullback yesterday, okay? Stablecoin long-term growth, less volatility. Yeah. T, I did look at CVI. I was looking at this morning. Let's Cam know you guys are going to need the keys to the computer. But actually, me and Christopher are going to make one. He doesn't know it yet, though. But I got some ideas that I need him to code. I want this bot to do. I want it to dance on the table. No. I want it to pack a suitcase of malware. Okay, so when we go by Citadel, it can just dump it. So, anyways, yeah. Get some pun for fun. That's awesome. But yeah, guys, if you believe in something, stick with it, right? If it becomes delisted, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter, okay? Do you remember back to when Bitcoin, it had so much against it. Everybody was against it. Nobody liked it. It took right until the last 5-6 years. It still was being talked about as a fucking bullshit. And when it was at 10,000. Okay, it still was, right? And at least, no disrespect to China, but at least we're not China, okay? They have like over 1,000 fucking coins that are, they're not even connected to blockchain or their third-party blockchain. Christopher can even second this on this. They're getting out of fucking control with these things over there, man. And they're called all these different weird names, and oh man, it's just out of control. That's what Getzler is trying to stop. Like I said, these laws on the U.S. stock market and the Canadian stock market, not that much. We kind of follow the U.S. On a lot of stuff, especially when it comes to stock market stuff. It's pretty much the same fucking thing. Okay. Obviously the dollar's worth more. I'm not talking like that. I'm talking about the laws. They're pretty much the same, right? So it is what it is, and don't be surprised if there's only like 4 or 5 of them left on the stock market for open trade, and the rest are delisted. Okay, don't be surprised if that happens, because you have to. They're going to bring out the Americano coin, the crypto coin. Okay, that's coming out. I don't know if you guys know that. And then we're having then there's the digital yen. Okay, there's the digital Canadian dollar. Okay, crypto dollar. Crypto coin, Canadian crypto coin, right? Then there's American crypto coin for the government and the banks will all be using, just like your money. Okay, so that's why they're getting rid of this stuff. That's the main reason, but they're trying to find other ways to do it. I've read a lot on this stuff, guys. I had to, because you guys kept on asking me questions on this stuff, on cold wallets, on digital wallets, on all this stuff. So now I know all that stuff, right? I had to do a lot of learning. No, I haven't, Chris. Yeah, Aaron, I can't. I'm gonna go look at these anyways. I just wanted them to level out. I was already looking at them this morning. Yeah, we can go check that out for you. The 5-minute count. You want the 5-minute? There you go. We've got 4 juicy candles and a red. Just want to see something here. We're going to have another run here, guys. What is a green followed by... Oh, it switched. Shit. Okay, well, what's a green? A green candle. I'll put it on. I like the 5-minute candle chart better anyways, right? Unless you're the 1 minute's for day trading, guys. You guys know that, right? It's better for that. The true, what you're supposed to go by for the true look at a stock is the 5 and the 20 minute. Okay, I don't know why they have a 30 minute. It's supposed to be a minute, 5 minute, and 20 or 25 minute. 30 is the first time I ever heard of it. So, but I think you can change that. But anyways, yeah, that's looking good. I do want to jump. I will put it back on the minute because I know you guys are. Put it back on the minute. Just because we're used to it, right? So let's have ADA. Yes, I just made what, $10,000, 10,000, 5,000 and 5,000. I put 5,000 down, and my mom put 5,000 down, so that's 10 grand pretty much. Right? Sons lend the money. You know how that is, right? So it's almost at 10%. So 10% of 10,000, I just made $1,000 on Cardano, but that'll go up a bit, and then I'll have a pullback, and then I'll go up. Guys, look at Sundial, 6.33. Okay, let's go up here and have a look at the ones that Aaron was talking about. Yeah. Yeah, they are, Sanjay. Yeah. So that's the reason why they're using all these other things to just so they don't get ragged on as bad, okay? And people don't put junctions in on them to like jam the law up in court. Yeah. But don't be surprised if ADA and Dogecoin are delisted, okay? I wouldn't put it past them, okay? He's already mentioned it, so it is what it is. And if that's the case, it could even make it worth more. Okay, some stuff is when it comes off the market, right? Some of these cryptos, right? It is what it is. I'm gonna keep it though. Okay, DWAC Digital World is $48.18, 8.64. It's almost starting to rip. I don't see a rip there yet. I'm just going to hit the refresh button on that. Oops. Sorry, guys. I'll put it back on the 1 minute. Yeah, it's better. I like to do the 1 minute and then I can see what's going to happen ahead of time. So we're at, it's almost at 10%. Well, when it hits 10%, it's in a rip. Just my lingo, right? So you guys know. You guys know me. And if I say something is in a rip, then you'll know it's over 10%, right? So, CFVI, $11.94, 20.99. That should have. That's weird. If that was going to go like major, that should have already gone. Something's holding that back. Doesn't make sense. Why would it only stop at fucking 20%? It had such a good go this morning. It was very, yeah, it's having a pullback. Something shifted. It didn't kick a breaker, did it, guys? No, it wouldn't have kicked a breaker. That's too steady. No, those candlesticks are too short. Let's do a 5 minute here. Yeah, it's having a huge pullback. Something's pulled it. The algorithm switched. Something happened with that. Hey, Christopher, we should let the bot go on this, eh? You'd be able to, it would actually tell you what the algorithm's, what it's pulling, the vibrations. It actually tell, well, I showed you guys live how it runs. It would actually, see it's having a, I can already tell it's having a pullback. Something's changed in the vibrations on that stock. It was very angry when it first, before market open, when it first opened. I was watching it. As soon as I mentioned it. CD, what's up? How you doing, brother? Okay, I'm gonna go through all of our ticker symbols here. I'm just gonna pop this back on AMC just because it is what it is. I'm gonna go through our whole stock screener here. It is what it is. I know PROG is starting to go up. It's not financial advice. Stay the fuck away from it, okay? I just don't want to hear anybody whining about it, okay? Because it's going for its next run here. And if you guys want me to jump in on it in a bit, I'll show you what I mean. It'll probably collapse by the end of the day, or it'll collapse at nighttime, and tomorrow it'll be back in the red, right? Revolving fucking door. So, anyways, ticker symbol AC, Air Canada, $20.01, 0.65 in the red. Okay, this one's for T here. He wanted me to keep this one, or Sanjay, I think it was. GGPI, Gores, $12.62, 1.89% in the red. ISPC, iSpecimen, is $14.30, 1.78% in the red. We got that up there because I will keep the ones that are doing pumps and collapses consistently. Every week or every 2 weeks, I'll switch it up to a new one, okay? I'm just keeping that on there just to keep people educated on that stuff so you can get to notice that stuff. If I keep that on there and you keep on seeing it and I keep on talking about it, you'll be able to spot this shit from a mile away, okay? It's really good. A trader should know that, like spotting that shit from a mile away so you don't jump in on a position, okay? Okay, Tesla is $1,093. It is 0.13 in the red. PROG is $2.92, 7.72% in the green. We're going to get into Vision Lithium out of Quebec, Canada, is VLI, ticker symbol, is 22 cents. It's 2.27 in the green. Ticker symbol SU, Suncor Energy out of Alberta, Canada, is $29.83, 2.32%, and that is a 6% dividend royalty on that one. It just went up 100% last month. Sundial, ticker symbol SNDL, out of Alberta, Canada. Marijuana stock, it is 59 cents. Had pretty good kick up this morning, 6%, 6.07 in the green. Blackberry's gone up a little bit too. Ticker symbol BB is $9.12. Is 2.70 in the green on that one. Okay, GME GameStop is $182.27. Is 1.35 in the green. Wow. Ticker symbol AMC, Entertainment Holdings. It's $30.56. 7.24% in the green. Naked Brand, 58 cents, 1.38 in the green. LAC, which is Lithium America, ticker symbol LAC, is $44.14, 1.36 in the red. We're going to get in some coin now. Some crypto fucking coin. Okay, well, I'm just going to work my way up. Ticker symbol ADA, US crypto is Cardano, is 100. Wouldn't it be awesome if it was 170? It's $1.70, so $1.70. It's wow. Did you buy it yet, T? Did you buy it? You would have made 2%, man. It's at 10% right now. It's 9.97%. Officially made $1,000 on it since yesterday at 2 o'clock, or yesterday at what time did I buy? I bought it in the afternoon. Okay, so Sheepcoin. It is 43. It is 2.24 in the red. Okay, and then it would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 decimal places, so 700ths of a cent. 700 thousandths of a cent, I guess it would be. A fourth of a cent. That's fucking hard to say. Okay, Dogecoin, 21 cents, 1.43 in the green. Bitcoin, BTC coin is $57,122, is 0.17 in the red. Ethereum, $4,593, it is 0.06 in the green on that one. Wow. That portfolio's gotten about 4 times as long, guys. Okay. DWAC is actually officially on a rip right now. It's 12.47%. I do want to check something. The buy button on AMC, the beautiful button. Yeah. That was a toss-up yesterday. I had to get into something else here because I have plans. I was gonna buy some more AMC, but I had a toss-up on that one. It was so hard not to, right? I had to get in some crypto though. I need a little bit of a side gig. I'm gonna paper hand the shit out of it, guys. I'm not keeping that right now. I'm not stockpiling it. I'm using that as a swing trade. Well, I'm not gonna ditch it every day because swing trade every day. Probably every week or so I'll fucking get rid of it, buy it back. Get rid of it, buy it back. Because on that one, this one is beautiful. It rides nice, beautiful waves, right? I'm just gonna do a pullback here. See those waves it runs? Consistent. Verbatim. Make some fucking good money. You got to put a lot in though. Depends on what you call good money, right? Making $1,000 to $1,000, maybe $1,000 to $2,000 a day is good. That's all right money, right? Because you got to pay half to taxes, right? But if you can do that divide that in half, if you can make 500 to 1,000 a day, it's a half decent income, right? It's about what I make at work, so it's like bringing a paycheck home, right? But if you do this, you can't go buy this because it was making its name still, right? Okay, and this was that pump in September. But see these waves right here? That's what I'm talking about. Okay, there's your buy-in right there, right? Sell. This is what I'm doing. It's up to whatever you guys do. I'm just explaining what I'm doing because you guys wanted to learn this stuff. So I went ahead and did it. So I can. I would recommend using a stock simulator, not real money. Just at first. Remember I said that, guys. It's up to you unless you have money to burn. It's almost a 95% fail rate, okay, when you're swing trading for the first time. Okay, you most likely will lose all your money. Okay, and I can't put you on speed dial. Okay, but here, right here, buy in, sell off. Okay, right here, buy in, sell off. See this? See this? Buy in, sell off. So if you can make if you can make 10 to 20%, even 5, 10, 20%, 5, 10, 20%, you can make a lot of fucking money on that. It's nicer, I know, on bigger plays, but once in a while you'll have it jump to $2.50, almost $3, because it does, right? But I'm not counting on that. I'm counting on a 50 cents, 40 to 50 cent jump and back down, because that's what it does all day long. Look at that, 40, 50 cents, 40, 50 cents. Right here, right there from, yeah, there's 30 cents right there. There's 50 cents again, right? See it? Right here, you're getting these pulls. There's 10% right there. And then you get a down pull. That was only 3-4 days where you don't, a week where you don't make money. This play might take a week or so. And then it's continuous like that. And then all of a sudden it'll go up to like $2.50 and it's like a slam fucking dunk, right? But on a play like that, if you want to make money, you got to put a lot of money in, right? Like, I always, unless with AMC I'm averaging my up position, like I'll keep on putting into my pot, like into my stocks, and keep on adding money, or else I would just, I always buy, you guys know, I always buy 5,000 or 10,000 or 20, 50 or $100,000. Okay, those are my increments. Okay, I don't change that unless I'm buying into AMC, like a squeeze play or something that I'm working on. Okay, if I'm nibbling, I call it nibbling, where you're buying little bits of shares and you're adding it to your position, nibbling at the market, buying them at discount, a couple here, wait a week until they drop back down, buy a couple more, throw them in there. But yeah, so that's what I do. And I do the same thing when I'm buying my dividends, right? Because fire sales are very rare. Like, I bought most of my stuff not in fire sale, okay? It is what it is. So yeah, with my dividend actions there, I do little bits, buy like a couple $100 or like $1,000 or something like that, throw it in there, right? Then all of a sudden, a couple, 3-4 years down the road, you got 50 or 100,000 in there, right? Every payday, just throw whatever you want to do. There's ways to do shit, right? So it is what it is. I know most of you are waiting for a fire sale. Those are very rare. Like the ones that's coming up. I think it's going to be probably worse than the 2008. It's going to be different sectors that are hit though. Okay, I could see the EV sector hit hard, lithium battery, the lithium metals, blue chip stocks. That's a forgiven. Apple, Samsung, Dyson, shit like that they'll be crippled almost. Okay, they'll come back though, right? And what will not go down is real estate. 2008, it was the real estate that crashed bad. Okay, it's an opposite play. That's because of the hedge funds, what they did to the market, right? With the real estate and shit. So it's totally separate play, but it's good. I think it'll do. I can't say it will do more devastation because that was pretty fucked up shit they did in 2008, man. People losing their houses and shit. That was fucked up, man. That was fucked up. Big. Sorry for swearing, but I like nibbling. You're down 50%, Aaron? Are you down 50% on Sheba? It'll go back up, brother. I know that for a fact that'll go up. It had a bunch of fucking crap thrown at it. A handful of YouTubers went right off on that thing and just fucking totally talked it down. That doesn't help either. It will go back up though. It's becoming very popular. Everywhere I turn, I hear people, when I mention crypto, that's mentioned. Okay, so that's a good thing. Okay, I can do that for you, Aaron. Aaron, I'm glad to have you back, bro. I haven't seen you in a while, dude. Yeah. I thought you got pissed off. I thought you got pissed off, and you're like, "Fuck this pack shit." I'm back in the pack. Fuck. I'm just joking around. Okay, so. Okay, Brian, how you doing today? How do you feel about? How do you feel about liquidity leaps expiring? Can you be more specific, my friend, on that? Oh, okay. Sorry, Aaron. Sorry, buddy. It almost looks the same, especially on a small screen. I didn't even know. I never heard of that coin before there, Aaron. Is that one of the ones from China that I was talking about? It was 25 cents. Oh, okay. Thank you for teaching me something. I didn't know about that one, man. I learned something today. Wow, I'm young. Why do you say that, Lloyd? Did it, Glock? Oh yeah, that's right. You were on vacation for a while. Yes, you were. I was only 5 in 2008. Oh, yeah. And that's when the Volkswagen squeeze was too. October 2008. Was it? Yeah, it was. October 22nd to the 26th, I think it was. 2008. And they didn't see that coming. That was a blindside, guys. That wasn't planned. Just so you guys know that. Of course, there's some people that knew about it, but it was it shocked a lot of people. Retail investors, it shocked, I meant to say. That was a battle between fucking the government and fucking Porsche and Volkswagen. After hours. Ow. And then it fucking pulled into the retail hours. It made some people money. King, welcome to the channel, my friend. Nasty is king. Do you do TA? I haven't heard any useful information from you yet, being honest. Maybe you're on the wrong channel. Bye. I don't know, buddy. I don't use Ortex. I use fucking Stocks Era, dude. I can come over to your channel if you want. Just give me your handle. We can all go over there. I'm just bugging you, by the way. I shouldn't bug you because you don't know me that well. Everybody on here, my channel's all laughing because they know me well. I'm just fucking around, buddy. Cam, when are you giving Sanjay the wrench? He needs to time for somebody. Oh, yes. CVI. I was looking at 18. It's at 11.51%. I shouldn't joke with new people on the channel like that because they don't know my sense of humor. He's probably like, you're a fucking asshole. Cap, what's up, brother? Yeah, it's at. Hey, fucking, that one went up. That one's at 15. DWAC is at 51.31. Is 15.85% in the green. CFVI, that was hard to say, $11.60, 18.91. And it's having a bit of a pullback. And if we see a green candlestick right here, we could see an up pull right here. Hey, buddy, I'm just messing with you, dude. I'm just messing with you. I would keep on trying to watch, but it's hard. Yeah, dude, I don't know. I don't use Ortex charts. My stuff's pretty raw, right? I don't know. I don't know what you're into. I'm on here making money right now. I talk to my friends on here, and I'm in place. Most of these stocks on this stock screen are investments of mine. I don't know. I can explain out to you so you know the gist of it. But what are you in on, my friend? Are you in on AMC? Okay, thank you, Bonkers. I like that fucking handle, Brango Bonkers. Thank you. I was hoping you were gonna put something on there. I was waiting for that. Okay, expiration date. If you want Ortex, watch. Yeah. Yeah, Ortex is only like 50% accurate though. Yeah, super chance. He's probably used to a different channel, right? He's probably used to somebody busting out charts, fucking telling when to exit entry strategies and stuff like that, drawing diagrams on the stuff. I do that stuff too, but when you've been doing it so long, fuck it. I'm a money machine making money, right? You know what I mean? Why it doesn't, that stuff is irrelevant to me. I already know the AMC play, right? It's all good. It's all good. Everybody likes different stuff. It's all good. Actually, I do respect him. I do respect him coming on here and saying that, right? I respect him coming on here and saying that. It is what it is. It is what it is. SPY is tanking. That's going to pull a bunch of shit down with it. Fuck. It's starting. Okay, it's okay with me if people talk crap as long as I don't get personal. Oh, fucking. You're just waiting. You're sitting there. Sanjay's just sitting waiting for his turn. Oh shit! I forgot to give you that guy's handle. I forgot to give you that guy's handle. He hasn't. I could unlock him. I've had peace and quiet for 2 days, man. Locking down the chat, locking down the comments. How much did PROG go on? It's had a little bit of a pull up this morning. It's at 3.68. It's gone quite a bit. It's gone down almost 3/4. I can look at it that right now. CFVI has It's pretty much the same thing. It was at 22, 23. It's had a little bit of a pullback. It's pretty much staying at the same thing right now. See? It's kind of found it's consolidating right now. But fuck. That was mean, man. That thing pumped steadily. All pre-market institutions were pumping this. Not pumping it, but they were fucking with this thing. They were setting it up. So I'm very leery about this CFVI. I think that might be my next week play for the watch list. We're gonna see this. We're gonna keep on watching this, because if it does this the next couple days, and then goes up market close, it goes back up like 5-10%. Keeps on doing that. You have to remember I make 1,000 on this, like a play like this, $1,000 to $2,000 if I was to put 10 grand in on it. You know what I mean? If I was to buy in this, I would have put 5 to 10 in. So I would have made at 20%. If I would have put 5 in, I would have made 1,000, 10,000, 2,000, right, for the day, right? I'm not a fucking 1%er, okay? To them, that's like a million to 2 million a day, okay? That's how they work, just because their numbers are different than mine. I don't have that kind of money yet, but yeah, it is what it is. It's the same as to some rich people. Well, $100 is nothing nowadays. I look at $100 like $10 pretty much, because you can't buy fuck all with it. But yeah. Proud, how you doing? Is a bear flag? Is there a flag on there? Bear trap. Did I say that out loud? What the fuck? What are you guys doing up here? Are you guys bugging people? Okay, Lloyd, I will answer your question, because I'm curious on this. Just because this was on our loser list for the week. I should call that list kind of something. Every Monday night I bring it out, every week to 2 weeks. I shouldn't. No, I'm a loser list. That's not nice. Oh fuck! What am I doing here? Okay, I'm gonna put it on the 1 hour. And as you know, the different colors. Can you see that? Oh yeah, you can see that. Night and day, right? Let's have a look here, Lloyd. It's at $2.50. Fuck, it's lost a lot. It's half price, man. In fucking in 10 days, it's gone down half. That's quite a bit, man. It's gone down 100% in 10 days. That's bad. 100% in 10 days. That's only 10 days that went down 100%. Fuck, some people have lost some serious money on that shit. This one's down. $33 days, over down 100% in 3 days. That's fucking bad, man. I was just checking something out. Okay, guys, I'll stop fucking around with that. Okay. Interesting chart today, Cap. Yeah, I was just screwing around, Cap. I was just screwing around with those stocks because I'm trying to keep track of what's going on with the market in my head. I'm on to something. And I thought I was on to something last week, but I'm definitely on to something. No, what I'm doing is I'm trying to do stuff for the channel, and every week to 2 weeks, I pull 1 or 2 stocks that are set up to they're failures, right? What it is they pump after hours and then they collapse during the day, or they'll run on odd times, and it's just made to lose money, right? And I'm gonna start mentioning that stuff instead of kicking back, because I know a lot of us have lost money on that. More like some of you guys, because I hear about it, like, fuck, I bought in on that and I got stung. And I know it's mentioned less than what you're actually doing, because it sucks to admit when you fuck up and lose money. So I'm assuming it's happening more than I'm hearing. So I kind of wanted to get out there and throw some stuff out there where I can pick this stuff up. I'm good at picking this stuff up. Okay. I want to pass that on to you guys. It's just a couple little things that I look for, and it's pretty simple, really. You just look for a rhythm, right? A pattern. Yeah. Did I scare T away? T's not on there. He's probably Citizens. I haven't seen Citizens, so he's like, well, is that a sign? Should I go buy ADA? I know he's listening right now. Well, that's why you bought it yesterday. I'm all fucking sitting here happy as hell, thinking, oh, fuck, you made some money today. Good. We talked about this. Yeah, good, T. He's like, oh, man, should I go buy? Fuck, you gotta love the guy. Fuck. Oh, that makes me laugh. That's hilarious shit, man. Oh, man. I can't wait to meet you guys in person. Oh, fuck. It could be, we could get ourselves into trouble, actually. Hell with the spy. Leatherhead cowboy. What's a comment about the charts? Yeah, what's going on? What am I doing? Fuck you guys bugging me for it. I can't even. You guys are bugging the shit out of me or something. You always are. Don't worry, I'm used to it. Cummings. Ah. Yeah. I don't know, but I think I'm going to be buying the product. Here it is right here. I just added it to the watch list. It's $210.97. It's 0.88 in the green. It's dropped a little bit, but this thing keeps on. It just goes down, back up, down, back up. Like, they have a good product, right? It is what it is. Yeah, I was thinking about, I think I might go buy a new truck in a couple weeks here. I'm not going to wait for the squeeze. I'm going to go get my kitchen done, I think. I'm going to rent half my house. I'm going to go get my kitchen done. Rebuild the whole kitchen for the wife for Christmas, I think. And I think I'm going to go to Mexico, and I'm going to buy myself a new diesel Dodge truck. Lifted up on 33s. I'm thinking about it. Wayne Wood, Wayne, are you the same? Wayne, you used to be on the channel a long time ago, right? Like 5 months ago, or is it a different Wayne? And welcome, Wayne. Proud, no, I'm not going to get the TRX. There's two reasons why. And I know that I'll blow the fucking motor up in it. Not out of wanting to, but the gas in Canada is shit, okay? It's not as good as the gas in the States. And the thing is the TRX, I know it's like 700 horsepower with turbos in it. My wife's she has one of those Hyundai Velocitors with the turbo in it. The thing eats fucking 5-liter Mustangs, man. And it's 1.6 liter, has paddle shifters in it, Porsche paddle shifters in it. Thing's insanely fast. I think it starts redlining at like 14,000 RPM, and it has 2 straight pipes out the back. Oh man, it's insane. I had it up to 240 kilometers an hour, and it still had fucking go. And that's a 4-cylinder. And I backed off because I know tires start disintegrating, blowing off vehicles at that. I put it up there for about 3 seconds. I didn't want to die. Too small of a car. But anyways, yeah. So the thing is with that, you need to put premium gas in it, 91 octane, 94 octane. Well, that's $1.80 to $2 a liter here. A liter, not a gallon, a liter. Okay? So the price to drive that truck, I might as well just get a fucking Hummer. The same shit. My fuel economy just would go through the roof. And it's 700 horsepower, which you wouldn't use as much fuel as the 5.7 liter because there's more power. You just have to touch the gas and you pick up the same speed just putting into it. I know that for a fact. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to buy I'm just buying a 1-ton. I'm going to buy the Outdoorsman, I think. I have to buy something practical. So what I'm going to do is buy the 6.7 liter Cummins in it. It's going to come with a 4-inch lift on it. And it's going to have the package on it. I've pretty much already picked it out, but there's a chip shortage right now, as you guys know. So I'll probably get it. I don't really buy anything ever new, brand new. I always get it a month or 2 old, because you save a lot of money. But you guys ask, so I will explain. I'm gonna get the one with the Android, the GPS parking system on it. So when I have my 20-foot or 27-foot travel trailer behind hooked up to it, you just push the button and it parks it right in the campsite for you. You just take your hands off the wheel and it just. I don't have to get out, park it. It just pulls right in between the trees. It has GPS sensors all around the truck. And if you want to back it up to hook up to the trailer, you just put a trailer activating back up, and it will find your backs right up to your trailer, so you can drop it right on the hitch. It does all that stuff. I'm gonna get that because I'm getting too old. I'm just, as you guys know, me with my fucking steel neck and shit with all my titanium plates in it. It's getting a little pain in the ass to be turning around, looking, backing up, and getting the wife out there fucking direct backing me up all the time. And yeah, she's really good at it though. I'm fucking blown away. She's better at it than fucking most of my friends. I only had to show her twice how to back the truck up. But so anyways, yeah, I'm gonna go for that. And then you guys know all the emissions on it, how you have to regen it, the new diesel engines, how you have to take them out and open them up for like a half an hour or wide open on the freeway to regen, right? Cook out all the shit out of the caddies and shit, all the diesel. Probably within the first week, I'm ripping the whole exhaust system, ripping half the engine and throwing half of it in the garbage. All the catalytic converters are going out, all the filters are going in the garbage. Straight piping it, and there's no air care up here, right? Because the reason why these new diesel trucks blow up is because all this computerized shit on it. I'm taking the computer out of there, taking it to my buddy's shop. He's going to flash it, wipe it completely, and put a mod racing chip in it for an outdoor package. Low soot though, so I don't want to. They have a thing up here. It's called the Smokers Club. You can get you get it flash the computer, but you leave it so it chokes out extra gas or diesel in more than air mixture. So you get a fucking black haze of smoke out the exhaust where you can't even see for like fucking ever when you step on the gas. I hate those people. I hate the smell of it. So what I'm going to do is put a catch can on there to get rid of that stuff. But yeah, DEF fluid and all that stuff, rip all that shit out. So yeah. But yeah, my can't beat them, join them. But yeah, man, I love the sound of that diesel engine. Like, womp, 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 womp. Yeah, the turbo. And I'm going to have a fucking blow-off valve on it. So when it's womp, so you go like that when the turbo kicks, and when you let your foot off the gas, when the turbo kicks, it lets the air pressure out, and it goes every time it goes into gears, it shifts, goes womp, it lets compression on the engine. It makes your engine last a fucking 100 times longer. I know a lot about vehicles, as you guys probably can fucking tell. Excuse me. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna go buy, guys. The truck I want's about 60,000. Oh, and new it'd be about 100, but I'm gonna get it for, it'll be about 1 month, 2 months old, and it'll be about 60, 70 instead of 100. That's how much you save. And my truck's a 2014. It only has 90,000 kilometers on it. You guys have seen videos on it. I'll probably get 25 for that. But yeah, I'm gonna go treat myself. I'm gonna go fucking have some fun, man. Sound effects, I love it. You like that? Yeah, Cap. Supercharged is all good and stuff. It's just the price of fuel is so fucking expensive, man. You got to run high octane gas and that stuff, man. Trust me, that's with the turbocharge. I'm blowing 2 different vehicles up with turbochargers because I stuck 89 octane in it. And yeah, it is what it is. Wish puts easy money. You like that, eh? Huh. F1 car. Do they make any EV with a 5 or 6 speed transmission? I don't know. I don't know, Mr. L. I think... I don't know. I know nothing about that still. No regular unleaded? On a turbocharger? That's not going to last that long, my friend. It runs too cold. High octane. Oh, high. Okay. With high octane. Okay. Yeah, high octane makes it run, the engine to run hotter and more cleaner. I was laughing at you guys and stuff. You guys are fucking awesome. So anyways, I'll put AMC back on here. Surprised that Aaron hasn't... What the fuck? Put the AMC back on here. We're in a consolidation period right now, guys. So yeah. Exactly what I thought it would do. It's going to consolidate for a bit. We'll have a kick up. Then we're going to have a push back down and probably pull out about 1% to 2% today in that area. Supercharged. Oh, supercharged. Up nearly 3,000%. Grab. Isn't it funny how first it was Vanguard, right? With all this transferring stuff. I'm glad that they don't have all this shit in Canada, man. I try to help you guys out with this stuff, but it was for the last 8 months a push to get everybody into Fidelity. Everybody into Fidelity. Now it's getting out of it, right? And going to something else. It's crazy. It's crazy. The best place to be is with a bank. I've been saying that from the beginning. You're gonna pay. You're not gonna be paying. You're not gonna be getting that zero commission platform though. You're gonna be paying for an execution of orders, right? Who cares? It's insured. It's a bank, man. I've been saying that from the beginning. You know what you guys should all do? Is stop buying orders through the States. Is fucking buy them through Canada. Because there's no fucking payment for order flow problem. Oh, there's no shelving. There's no fucking... It's illegal up here. They can't. Everything has to be bought. It can't be shelved. Everything that we buy is direct. The banks and all that is direct. There's no payment for order flow. Same as the UK. Oh, Aaron, Lucid is done. Is fucking... If you have that... If you guys own that stock... I can't give financial advice, but I'm fucking doing it. I'm just joking. It's entertainment what I'm talking about. I shouldn't joke like that. But Lucid is getting sued. They've fucking got caught. They got caught with fraud, with their batteries, lying. Oh, fuck, they're done. They just fucked the whole company. I forgot to mention that. I knew about that 3 days ago. Which is Grab, was it? Yeah, guys, if you're in Lucid, I would really think... I would spend the day, if you're in it big, I would make my mind up by the end of the day what to do. I would go find some DD, do your reading on it to make sure it is factual information, what I know, but I don't know, I know what I'm talking about, but I don't know all little bits of information that lead up to it. I would go find the court documents, who's suing who, when are these lawsuits going through, there's copy infringement shit. There's a whole bunch. There's fraud involved. There's fucking There's a whole bunch of shit. Misleading the public. Oh fuck, they're fucked. They're fucked. They lied about these processes that they had patented. They didn't have anything on the table. They were selling this knowledge to the public. The public was buying it ahead of time. Oh, fucking not good, man. How do we buy in Canada? I was kind of a little joking on that, but I think you can I can open a bank account in the States. I do. I have to transfer money over to a U.S. trader's account before I can buy. I can't just buy from a Canadian account. It has to be a U.S. trader's account, cash account. You can get a Canadian trader's account through your bank, through the broker's division. I'm almost positive on that, and you can get a TSFA. That's what you do, and then you buy with Canadian funds. You transfer your money from American, and you get 30% more, because your money is worth 25 to 30% more. Depends on the day. Aaron, you didn't know about that, bro? Go. I would spend the next 10 minutes, go compile as much information and fucking speed through it. That's what I would do on a situation like this and make your decision. I would. Dude, they're fucking in a lot of trouble right now, man. Okay, I'm trying to... thank you, Aaron, for bringing that up. Crab. Sorry, Jamal. The ticker bar, the chat bar went fucking nuts on me. I couldn't find you. Thank you for putting the capitals, brother, and abbreviating it. I really appreciate that. You always do that, man. You make it easy for me. Is it holdings? Huh? What the heck is going on with ticker symbol grab? Well, this is what I got. Is this the right one, Jamal? I don't know what you mean. What's happening with it? It's down. It's down. It's down. Well, I would say it's on its way to collapse. Oh, it fucking is. It went down pre-market. It was up. It dropped almost 100%. It did over 100% in just fucking from mid-market. It was up 21%. Now down to 9%. So it dropped 10%. It dropped 90% just in pre-market. Holy shit. That's institutionals fucking around, man. Did they pump it the day before? No? That's weird. They haven't. That's weird. It's been consistent and then all of a sudden something must be news or something. What is this, a mortgage company or something? I'm going to put it on the 1 minute here. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. That's weird. Somebody put a lot of money in there and then sold it. Or somebody bought in and then somebody was waiting for that and then they sold out on the other end. In two different, that was sold in one, two, three segments were sold. 3 partitions of money. Of lots, like huge chunks of fucking shares were sold. You can see it. So, yeah, I don't know, man. I don't know anything about this. Blank checking company. What the fuck? Altamir. Merger. Share exchange. Share purchase. Companies focused on identifying, acquiring, and operating businesses in the area of the technology sector. I don't know. I don't understand this company. Oh, financials. Yeah, fuck. We could go without them. There's no big loss. I don't know anything about this, but that's they must have fucked up. Something happened to them. Thank you, Jamal. Thank you, brother. Okay, let's see what else is going on. AMC's in the red now. We're at 28.45. So remember, our low is 22 to 23. Okay, that's what the channeling that's what the channel was. The low, the support level. Okay. The bottom, the floor, and the ceiling was 40. 38, yeah, 38 something. What am I doing? What is it doing here? The fuck? Oh yeah, I'm way up here. That's what's going on. Oh fuck yeah, we're getting ladder attacked, man. That's straight up ladder bullshit. You can totally see it. Oh yeah. They're hammering that purposely, guys. It's like fucking, it's just like clockwork, just like a computer program. Look at this. They're doing it for a certain amount of time and a certain amount of shares. They're only letting a certain amount of shares in and they're letting it collapse. They're doing it in a certain time frame. 3 candlesticks, 3 candlesticks, 3 candlesticks, 2 candlesticks there, which they can't nail it perfect every time. 2 candlesticks, 2 candlesticks, 3 candlesticks, 4, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. Yeah, it goes for 2 candlesticks to 3, then they fucking ladder attack. Let it go, ladder attack it. Go. Or stall the orders going into the market. That's exactly what's happening, guys. That's fucking so obvious. That's a lot of fucking red, man. Yeah, we're on our way down, guys. Here we go, down 3%. I mentioned it earlier, but I didn't want to keep on talking. You guys don't like it when I I don't look at it as negative. I don't know, Proud. I don't know. GRD. The whole Fidelity 1 million shares to short stock, was that the fact or FUD? I don't know on that. There's no really way of finding out. It's all over Reddit, and I don't trust Reddit. I will use their information, but I would like to get two other sources besides that. Like, I would not take Reddit information and base a podcast off. I used to. You could do it 8 months ago, and it would be pretty accurate. Not now. So, guys, yeah, we're down 2.447. We're going to consolidate again, and we're going to go down a little bit more. I hate to say that, but do you guys want the truth, or do you want me to sit here and just go, oh yeah, I can tell exactly what it's going to be at tomorrow. I already know the answer. If you want to know, I can tell you. It's going to be on sale tomorrow. I just didn't want to, there it goes. See? The next two candlesticks will pull it down another 2-3%. I can already see. I can see the system. I can totally see what's going on. It's so fucking. You look at the volumes. I can see, right there. How much is that volume? What the fuck isn't it giving me the? Oh, there it is, right there. It's exactly. They're all exactly the same. 300,000, 600,000, 300. Holy fuck. 300, 400, 3. They're almost all the same. Every time they ladder attack it, it's the same amount of shares that they're fucking laddering with. Yeah, 298793. You fucking assholes. 281. It's so close. That's exactly what's going on. 29. You bastards. I just caught this, man. They're the same fucking candlesticks. These are 300s too. 370, 340 right here, I bet you. 320, pretty close. I bet you this one's 400. Yeah, 400. How the fuck would I know that without putting a... And I bet you this one's 425. 413, so close. That's exactly, this is 413. Yeah, this is exactly what's going on here, guys. It's a computer fucking program they're using. Where's Christopher? Yeah, Proud. I'm in the red as of $40. I bought 1,000 shares at 40. I wanted synthetics. Remember, I was joking around. I need to join you guys because I don't have any symbol. Yeah, probably own all synthetics, but I need it at 40. Yeah, Aaron, you're falling behind too. You were on here that day, weren't you? When we all bought it for you, there's probably 20 of us that loaded up on the stuff. Christopher, are you on here? Christopher, to the front of the mess hall. Jay. Excuse me. Excuse me. Sorry, I didn't mean to cough in. See, Aaron? That's why I tried to, and you owe that to Proud. She clicked my memory. I was going to mention that first thing. It's just I have so much shit to talk about all the time. With this. There you go. Yeah. Fucking bad. bad, those bastards. They just ruined the potentially that company could have been like, well, maybe not the same as Tesla, but they would have been within the next 5 years. They would have been really good. Like they put it this way, they were so good that they were stressing Tesla out to make them make better product. Does that make any sense to you? Tesla is getting very sloppy in the last couple of years. The fucking doors don't even close on the cars half the times. They're out like this much, and all the fucking the sunroofs are blowing off going down the freeway and shit. But Lucid, when they started stepping up their game, when there's another competition coming up behind them, it makes them pull their socks up, right? Pay attention more to detail. If they don't have that, they're the only ones on the market. Companies need that to make them strive for better things, right? Bought some at 40. T, what'd you do? You just bought some AMC? You bought, okay. Today you guys did? Well, no, a couple days ago, because it wasn't up that high. Well, do you want me to tell you, it's going to go down to $22 to $23, guys, okay? That's exactly what it's going down to. I told you guys that 3 days ago. It's going to go back up, though, okay? The only reason why I know that is because that's where the options are totally out of the money. There's no options. Like the numbers jumped from like 15,000 to 20,000 options down to like 200. Okay, so that's the shelf, the bottom shelf, and that's how I figured out. I go to the top, and then when the numbers hit low, that's my line. That's my line, and that's the channel, and that's what they're doing. They're running the options, man. So we'll have an up pull here, and then it'll go back down. It's just going to keep on bouncing around here, guys. But we need volume. We need volume. So you guys don't feel bad by you guys buying at those prices. It just in a couple weeks you'll be happy as hell. Okay. Without you guys actually helped. Okay, to be honest with you, there's so many people that are not buying right now. It's fucking it. Okay. The way of not buying AMC shares, I do not believe that. Okay. I think that's bad. I don't think that's a good for any stock. I've never ever heard of that in my life. I know we have an issue with dark pool and shell. These orders aren't even making, most of them are not even making it at the market, right? I kind of understand that. It is what it is. But why would you let the pressure off on them, right? Keep them fucking under pressure. I'm not telling you guys what to do. I'm not telling you guys to go buy in or anything like that. Within a while, all this will be behind us, my friends, and you'll forget about all this little minor things. It'll be erased from your mind. All these little bullshit days will all just be a blur. Okay, that's how the mind is. When it succeeds on the far end of something, when you work your way up to something, and when you get the finished product, everything is just a blur. You remember it as a whole, and not the details. You notice that how the mind works like that? Isn't that crazy? It's how it rewards itself. It's like dumping the cash like your computer. It is what it is. It's still early still. Fuck, it's not even 8 o'clock. It is what it is. But yeah. Oh, hey. I stumbled onto a video the other day. I got to bring it up to you. Oh yeah, Jay. Oh, for sure. Oh yeah. Everybody, yeah. Thanks, Jay. But yeah, with Becca. Yeah. Yeah. It is. That's right. I said that beginning of the week. 22 to 23. And just 10 minutes ago. I don't like mentioning that. I got in shit for that from the guys, the wolves on here. Because it kind of sounds negative, especially when you have money and you just bought. But I like to be very transparent. It'll crack off those. It'll bounce. It'll go so fast off that. It'll just go, it'll be a couple big candles. And it'll hit the 22, 23, and it'll go, ding. And it'll just keep on going. Because there's so much resistance at those levels. Do you remember when we were at the $14 and it was so hard to get to the 16? But when we went to the 16 to the 18 to the 22 to 24 took forever. It took us 700,000 volume to pump it to get it to go through there, through those resistance points. Do you guys remember back then? I remember it clear as a bell. And I still have all my lines too. If you guys want to go back and look, I can. Everything's documented. Hope not. I give you tough love. I know. I just try to be very, very. I don't like to keep stuff and lie to you guys, right? I can't do that. I know it sounds like I'm not wishing it goes to that at all. Fuck. You guys know my positions, right? It's just that Ali, Sundial has a lot of shares, man. It's gonna be. I know there's talk about it. I haven't seen any official documents on it. It's kind of hard to delist a stock with that many shares, man. To be honest with you, it has 3 times as many shares as AMC. And they have to justify that. Okay, that's if it gets delisted. That Sundial is the biggest marijuana company in all of Canada. They have 10 to 15 companies underneath them that they bought up over the last 6 months. Sundial isn't running out of money. They're they're wolves up here, man. Like they are. They eat companies up for breakfast. Okay, they grow strictly for the Canadian government. They grow for the Cancer Society. What is happening is they've been hedged to shit, and they're getting screwed with on the stock market. That's the only thing. The company's not going to go bankrupt. Fuck no. No. Way far from that. Just so you guys know. And I'm proud. I know I'm tough. Not on you guys, but I just... yeah, maybe I am. Maybe I should ease up a bit, eh? I don't know. I just think that you guys just should know the information, right? I don't know. Do you guys like to know? I'll ask you guys something because your guys are the subs, right? You guys, it's your guys' channel. I've always told you that, right? I'm just the broadcaster, right? So that's why I always ask you guys, do you want to do this, or this? So here we go. We're going to do a survey without a survey poll. I'm not going to pull the survey on here, but right on, proud. If you're going to go to the bank, ask that question. If you're actually going to a bank, ask about a Canadian traders account. Seriously. And then you won't have that payment for order flow problem. They will go directly to the market, right? And then there was another reason why too. Shit, I forgot. I'm just too much on my brain. No, don't be soft. No, Manji. I can't see it. No BS, keep it 100%. Okay. Okay, guys. If the stock is delisted, everybody loses their... Well, it just doesn't have support on the open market for open trading. It can still trade, but it's not governed for... it can get frauded. There's a lot of crooked shit that can happen. Like Sears, for instance, or Blockbuster. You can still buy those stocks. It's just that what you're doing is there's no rules. The SEC has rules for these hedge funds. So if you were to go and buy Blockbuster off the market, unprotected shares, you're jumping into a fucking infested shark pool. Just jumping in there. Just jumping in there and you're going to get eaten to shit. And you can't turn to the government for help. That's one of the reasons, right? I just want to show you guys something. It's going to be pretty hard for them to delist it. But they do have to hold an average. Except they have to hold a certain amount of capital money that they make. They're 10 times over what they're supposed to. So I don't know what... Good, we're going back up to 30 again. Oh. And then we'll bounce around in that area. Is Warren taking off? Okay, brother, take her easy. Yeah, isn't that crazy? You can still buy Blockbuster shares. He was taking off. Yeah, not a problem. Nice bounce by him. So you think someone... doing some covering? Jay, on AMC? I don't think what is happening there's people selling for sure, right? There's people that are getting scared. You have to remember that we got a lot of support and we got somebody to talk to. There's people that fucking get paranoid on these stock plays. They don't know what the fuck they're doing and shit, right? There's people that just don't believe in stuff that we're in on stuff, right? That red right there is verbatim. I was looking at, if you look at your stock screener and you pull down your cursor and you put it over top of the red on the very bottom, okay, you can put it right there and I can see 624,000 shares. Okay, this one's going to be about 580, 578. See, I knew that without even putting it over there, roughly, because they're purposely laterally attacking this. Okay, so you can just see it, right? But you can't keep on. They get fined for that shit, and it's obvious, right? So they're gonna let it go up a bit, and then it's gonna go back down, and then it's gonna go back up and back down. But I just wanted to, like I said before, it's not gonna go below 22 or 23. If it does, it just won't, because the resistance. There's so much fucking resistance down there. It's such a solid line, because I was part of that whole episode when that was building the steam and moving, and the amount of shares that we had to have to get it to move past those points. Those are $2 increments back then, and it was strong to get through. I got the chart. Sorry, it's still on here, but for them to put it below 22, they would lose all their money. They would fuck themselves like bad, right? But yeah, I wanted to know about my computer live streaming. Rules for head for laugh out. Good joke. Yeah, I know, Aaron. Yeah, I know what you're saying. Because they're fucking. I know what you're saying about it. I'm just saying that there is no guidelines. That's all I'm saying. Okay, I was gonna go into Sundial. I want to show you guys something because I know almost every one of you owns Sundial. Okay. Okay, let's go into quotes here. Okay, let's we're gonna see what the float is. I just wanted to read something here. Yeah, see, I can't see it. See, look, remember? I didn't even read this, and I know so much about this fucking company because it's like the next it's in our next province. It's only a 10-hour drive from me. See, the company is joint adventure with Sunstream, Bancorp Inc. Those are huge companies, okay? Provides growth capital and support platform in the global cannabis sector. Global, okay? Around the fucking world, okay? The brand includes Sundial Cannabis, Top Leaf, Palmano Campus, and Grassland Campus. That is only those are actual the company branches off of it, but they bought up all these mom and papa places like lots, man. Okay, so there's my first thing of. Plus they're into CBD cancer research. They're into a whole bunch of stuff, and they grow for the government. Okay. So let's go into quotes here. I want to show you guys something because remember I said that they're 3 times as big as AMC. Okay, they are. Okay. It's just that they're getting screwed is because they do have a lot of shares, and it's just the way it is. It's because it's a retail. It's a they sell retail stuff, right? It's totally different than it's in a movie theater. But right here, free float, 2 billion. Okay, 2 billion. That seems a little low. I thought there was more than that. Why isn't that showing everything? There's something wrong with that chart. Here's something right here, guys. November something. This would be it. This is the form if they're going to get dislisted right here. Just give me a second, guys. Sorry. They just asked for more shares, I think. Certain something to commit the K form, K paper, the regulations TS2 rule. I don't know what the fuck that means. Report of foreign private insurer, Form C6. Just give me a second, guys. There you go. There you go. That game's a ton of fun. Oh. Playing in my retirement. There is something that, because you told me to be very open and truthful and honest with you guys, there is something that I'm concerned about, something with AMC, and I thought of it this morning. Hate that word, but I guess it would be if because I don't know if it's true or not. Nobody does, right? I tried finding the information. Do you guys know 100 or 1,000% that Vanguard did sell their shares? And if they, I tried to find information and it was all over the fucking place. I don't want to hear it from a YouTuber. Is there actual factual documents that you guys seen? And the other thing is Vanguard. How many did they sell? And were they sold? Were they sold back into the market, or were they traded to some other company for like sold off the market? You know how they can trade? Like AMC did that back in the day. Bima, what's up? Because I need to know that stuff, and then I'll have a final product answer for you guys on something. Yeah, Shamron, there you go. You got it, bro. Yep. FUD incoming from Cameron, yeah. No, I just need to know some information here for you guys. Yeah, I don't... Unless you got a YouTuber that has, like, really good DD, like us. I'd rather it not come from Beware of FUD. It's on AMC, though. There's something that I'm a little concerned about, but I need to know the answer on that Vanguard thing. Do you guys know anything on it? How many shares? I heard it was 7 million or something like that, but I don't know. There's no documents or anything. There's no way of finding that out. Did they actually sell? Like, did they actually sell it on the open market? Like we would do? Or did they trade it to another fucking institution? You know what I mean? Like, do you guys know anything about this? I did watch a couple videos on it, but it's very vague. It's Vanguard sold was the thumbnail, and that was it. He brought out the shill. No, you haven't, Aaron? You didn't hear anything either? Okay. I just wanted to... I need to find that out, guys. That's very fucking... we need to know that, okay? Because that information is very powerful, okay? To what happened with those shares. Sanjay, did you hear anything? Because you're usually up on this stuff. You're the one that told me about... Or who was it? I think it was Alina? Who told me about Vanguard? I did see it afterwards. I bet money on another institution. That's what I'm thinking too. That would be safer for us. Just exiting their position and just transferring them over. A lot of places, if they over debt with another company, AMC did that. AMC was in debt. They fucking traded, back in the day, they traded fucking millions of shares to another company, right? At a lower price. They can barter with that stuff. You can do that, right? It's currency, right? But those will be real shares, okay? Those won't be synthetics. That's what I'm saying. The Vanguard will have, if they're selling them or transferring, those are all real. There's no synthetics in that bunch at all. That's why I'm saying that. Okay, thanks, Sanjay. Because they're all real shares. I know that for 100%, and there's a reason why I need to know that information. 7 million. 30%. Fuck, that's a pretty good chunk. If his hedge funds got a hold of that, those shares, those 7 million or whatever the hell they got, it's not good. But we'll find out. We'll find out when Sanjay gets us the information. Do. I need some coffee here. Throat's drying up here. Oh, hey Kim, how you doing? Welcome to the channel today. Check Fin. Where's my... There it is. Well, you guys could have told me to put it back. You guys are all tripping out too. You're like, what the fuck is he doing? Chart. Okay. It is fin viz. What the hell is this? Fidelity? Or is it Finvos? It's not coming up. I don't have anything for that. I have something for Fin VIX, which is Fidelity. Are you looking for Vin? That's the wrong one, obviously. Kim, can you be a little bit more elaborate on that symbol, please? What does the company do, and what is their what's their handle? What's up with them? That's Fidelity that you wanted me to look up, probably, right? Or was I on the right one? I have no data. No data. What's a website? One of the tubers said on. So is that? Oh, okay. Thank you. Okay, I won't look at. I couldn't find anything on here, obviously. So obviously we'll look that up on the internet. I will do that. Just give me about 2 seconds, guys. It'll be faster because I got all these screens here. I can just bounce. Let's use this. Thank you. Oh, they have a stock screener. Oh, wow. Oh, fuck, this is neat. Thank you, Kim. Thank you. Oh, shit. Okay, we'll put AMC in. Oh, and we are under SR. Shit, what the fuck are we under today? We're under a ruling today, actually. They can't short us more than... There's actually rules on us today, guys. I'm going to check it out right now. I just thought of that. SRR rules. I'll check it right now. Make sure it's factual information. SSR's off. Weren't we down more than 10%? I thought we were down more than 10% yesterday. Maybe I'm wrong. Never mind. I was just mumbling to myself, guys. Okay, so I'll go back there. I'm just doing some looking up here for Vanguard. Vanguard. Oh, Vanguard has dividends? Oh, fuck, that's not it. Okay. Okay. Oh, it did. It does tell you. Okay, just give me a second here, my friends. Fuck. Don't see anything on here. Nothing. Did you guys find anything else? Of the variant? Yeah, I just want to actually find out for sure if they did, and if they didn't, if they just transferred them to another institution, that's fuck. I hope they did, because I hope they didn't throw them on the fucking market, because we got problems if they did. I know that for a fact. That's fucked. I think we would have seen some more red if that would have happened. Proud? Yeah. Energy sector's gonna fucking crank. I'm already ready. I got $100,000 in ticker symbol SU. Well, actually 90,000, but I've been pumping money into the energy sector for fucking years, man. Years. That's why when my dividend went up 100%, it doubled. Like I said last month, was it? A month and a half ago, I felt sick to my stomach. I was so happy. Like it just went up. My retirement doubled. All of a sudden, it doesn't usually do that. It usually fucking goes the other way around. But yeah, you have to remember this stuff's cheap for you guys. Like if you go, like I said, if you go and buy Canadian stocks, like you can make some fucking money on them. They're cheaper because your money's worth 25 to 30% more. Like you get that much, you get a break on it, right? I can't find anything on this, my friend. Nothing. Nothing. Nothing's coming up. Nothing's coming up. Oh, fuck. Nothing. Come on. Insider. Okay. President. Oh, it tells you how much their shares. Okay, I'm on to something now. These are actually people that work in the company. I actually have a directory of... What the fuck does Adam Aaron own? I have the directory of all the shares. See, and they all have numbers on them. See? These are all real shares. Oh, is Brett, are you on here in the back office? SU. Oh, Aaron, Suncor Energy out of Alberta. It's Canada's biggest energy sector. It's that's where most of the oil comes from that you guys in gas and your guys, well, besides you guys make your own, but yeah, it's cheap, and I bought it really cheap. I think it's $30 a share, but it gives you 6% 6 and some chump change royalty every 3, right? It was only at 3, like I was saying, right? And then all of a sudden I got an email because I own the stocks, so they have to keep you up on that, and saying it fucking went up 100%. So like I said, and when I'm gonna go back to work, but as being retired right now, my income just doubled, right? I make about almost probably about 500 and something off of that a month. 480 or something, like 490. I can't find anything here, guys. I'm not going to waste too much time in here. Fuck. This thing's all over the place. It's very I like this platform though. It's pretty friggin' cool. This gives you everything. Yeah, I'm out of here, but I'm going to save this. I'm going to definitely thank you for whoever told me about this. I'm going to save this to my book market. I like this platform here. I like their stock, their screeners. Fuck, that's beautiful. Wow. Entertainment Holdings is a communicate. I didn't know that AMC Entertainment Holdings Inc. is under the sector communication services broadcasting industry. Did you guys know that? Fuck. Our volume right now, according to this thing, is only 77. Holy fuck. Oh. Oh, that's... I don't know what the date of this is old. Okay, I'm out of here. I'm out of here. Okay. Wow. Yeah, no problem. No problem. Be careful of your YouTubers. A lot of clickbait. Some are just copying what the others are out. Fuck the others. Right on, Sanjay. Right on. Yeah. Thank you, Mr. L. About that website. Oh, proud. I remember you messaged me, and thank you for sharing with me. I went over to that live feed there, and I pulled back all the comments. I couldn't see anything on there. I missed it. I missed it by a half an hour. I think he shut his stream down, right? I would do it for sure. He's one of the people I would do it with. I did rate him a Twitter email. I did. I wrote him a paragraph. Then I asked him, I said, I keep on getting asked, but I don't think he's interested, my friend. He kind of just does his own thing. I've noticed he has one or two people he hangs out with. I don't know. I don't know if I'm his style or not, right? I'm kind of into a whole bunch of different things. He's kind of like, he has his like, his routines, I've noticed, right? I'm kind of like, I got a lot on the go. I'm trying to do this for you guys, then I'm trying to do this, trying to check out this. You know what I mean? So I might be a little bit too hyper for him. Blackrock, yeah, okay. He's saying, who the fuck is saying that? There's no way that both of them sold. They're huge companies. Yeah, it's right here and it's all ready to go. Hi guys. Here you go. I just put the new card in it and all that. So, hey doggies. Good morning. So, what I was saying is, you just bought one, Aaron? I like that dividend. Pretty cool, eh? How much did you get it for with your American price, my friend? I'm very curious. You guys can make a lot of money on it. It's like you don't even pay taxes on it, right? Because you know how you have to pay 38% if you get taxed in that year. You buy it if you sell it, but if fucking those shares you keep for life, right? Obviously, you know that, right? That's a retirement play. Let's pump cam on Johnny. Thanks, Sanjay. That'd be cool. That'd be cool, man. That'd be cool. Like I said, I wrote him a letter, and I said, I'll tell you guys what I said. I don't keep anything from you guys. I put it right on about you guys. I said, most of my subs our channels they go back and forth from the channels, right? Which is true, right? I always tell factual. I don't lie about shit. So what I do is, what I told him was that I've been getting asked, which I've been asked lots, to do a collab with you, or to just an email and we'll talk and go from there. And and I said that we have a lot of the same motions and feelings towards other YouTubers, the bigger tubers that are not being truthful. They're misleading and they're biased towards certain stuff. Okay? Like, for instance, talking about AMC stocks like they own them. Most of them don't even have AMC stocks. They sold them at $70, right? And it's yeah. I don't know why they have to lie about that stuff. I don't know why people do that shit, man. Or in on other plays and they get caught doing it. Well, why wouldn't you tell people that? Yeah, I'm doing other plays and stuff. I tell you guys always the time, right? If I'm in on other plays, I'm very, very strict on myself with that stuff, though. Right? Like I probably should have bought AMC, but I still will. Yeah, it is what it is. It is what it is. My crypto play is not to hold it for life, though. I'm swing trading that. Well, not day swing trading. I guess I'm just trading it monthly every couple of weeks. I'm flipping it, right? And then I'm going to use the money to buy more AMC shares. What time is it here? 8:30. It is getting close to that time, guys. Are you guys hinting for me to shut it down? I just want. Okay, I'm gonna wrap it up with Vanguard and Blackrock. If they did sell, okay, they own a fucking ton of shares. Those are the two main companies or institutions, companies, whatever you want to call them. The ones we were worried about, or that I was worried about. Because I know about statistics and how it can collapse a fucking squeeze, okay? Those are the ones that were pretending, well, they were on our side, right? They wanted to make money. I can't really see that. If they would have sold, the stock would have collapsed. Okay, it would have been down to like fucking $12. Okay, it would have recovered probably in a couple hours back up to. I'm not going to put a price on it because I don't know. I'm speculating. But that's what I'm worried about in the squeeze is those two companies. Fuck the other rest of the institutions. I'm not worried about that. I'm not worried about the Swiss bank with they almost own the whole float of fucking synthetics. I'm not worried about that shit. I'm not worried about the pension funds out of New York. They own a lot too. Okay, I'm not worried about those ones because they won't sell all at once. I know that for a fact. They're gonna sell in lots. Okay, the bigger these BlackRock and Vanguard are vicious. Okay, they're gonna fucking dump them, and what that would do is it wouldn't. If they both dumped at the same time, it would squash the squeeze. It would kill it. Okay, it would fucking flatten it. If we were in a fucking squeeze and if Vanguard dumped and waited a couple hours and then BlackRock dumped, we're talking unloaded everything in open market, which is very unlikely. Usually they do it behind after market close. That's when they do their trading. Not all the time though, right? If they were to do that, the squeeze would go and just go back down, and it would go down to a level and it would just go and just stay there for a long time. The algorithm would be fucking flattened. Yeah, that's 100% what would happen. Those two were my big concerns since the beginning of this, just the way they were buying all the time. So by them selling, I just can't see that. Unless they did a pre-order to sell and they've given notice to sell and there's a date put aside that they're going to be selling on. We won't have that information though. They do that sometimes. Like when they buy shares, if they're going to purchase a whole bunch of shares from AMC, Entertainment Homes, they'll contact, not AA, they'll contact the financial division of AMC, which does their shares, and say, hey, can I get a deal if I buy this many shares? They do give deals off the market, right? You can barter. So I could see it going that way, but not the other way. I just can't see it. So yeah, they can order shares, and usually it takes up to 3 to 4 days before they actually are purchased. But with selling though, I need to find that fucking information out. Sorry guys, that's pissing me off. I know you guys are probably like, it's not that serious, who cares? That could be our catalyst if this is going to go or not, right? I'm very, very strong on believing that they have not sold, that I just can't see it. I can't see it. We would have noticed that because AA sold, what was it, 70 million? We were in FOMO. That's all we were in is FOMO. There was no shorts covering or nothing. I know that for a fact. It was FOMO, pure FOMO, okay? There was nothing else attached to it. And we had 2 halts in that FOMO episode to 72 or 74 or something. Anyways, and it fell like a knife, okay? For the first 30%, 20%.
This phone's fogged. I can't get
Okay, yeah, I'll be in a minute.
Just 1 second to show you.
I know, I'll be there in a minute. Yeah, I'll be there. I'll be in there in a minute. I'll be in a minute.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, I'm live streaming right now. It's okay, honey. So, yeah, that's what I was thinking. So I'm just doing off the statistics on how I know this stock like the back of my fucking hand. AMC, I know how it rolls. You know what I mean? Like I've had a fucking simulator fucking algorithm bot on here. You know what I mean? So I understand the stock, the movements. So that just doesn't make sense to me because they own more shares than 70 million. And look at the down pull when AA did that. It killed it. It flattened it. And you guys can believe whatever you want on that. And I won't take that from you. Okay, but I know what I know about it. You guys seen it. If you don't, just try to step back and look at the big picture on that. We've been trying to get back to that since. Yeah, I just wish he would have done that a different way. I wish he would have even split it in quarters or even in half. We would have already had this over and done with. Our volumes was like 500,000 to 600,000 a day back then. But anyways, that's here and there. So that's what I'm using off of as the factual data from before. So that's where I'm getting this information from. It's already happened. So that's why I'm concerned. Now I need to know the answer. That's my calculating mind. I just need to know the fucking answer. So I'll find it out anyways. So you guys have any other questions or anything like that? My computer keeps on trying to restart on me. Those super chats. Who's doing super chats? The dip would be, but don't. The dip would be bought. Doesn't retail not that fast. We do own probably more than 85% because of synthetics, but you have to realize that with the 70 million, the AA, we were already on our way. We were rocking, and he dumped those in the middle of about 10 o'clock in the morning, 11 o'clock in the morning, and look what happened. So Vanguard or BlackRock dumped theirs. We would fucking see it on the market. We have no volume to fucking keep the algorithm stable. And yes, they would be bought up, but we can't see what are real and what are not. Do you know who will buy them? Fucking hedge funds will squirrel them away and shelve them because they're the real McCoy. Okay, that's what I'm worried about. Okay, so that's what I need to find out of what's going on here. That's the end of the story. That's what I was trying not to talk about because, yeah, but those shares are all real. Not one of them is a synthetic because they're institutional shares. Yeah, not a problem, Proud. So I'm going to leave it at that. I'll get you that information on that with those 2 companies. I wouldn't stress out on it too much. I would have seen something on the market, and I haven't really seen anything. This what we've seen today is just normal ladder attacking. Okay, bullshit. Ladder attacking, dark pool, combination, high frequency trading, that shit. You can just see it, right? When a big sell happens or anything like that, it does a knife blade. It drops in big fucking candles, like juicy bodies on them with no wicks. So I didn't see any of that. So I think we're good. So anyways, guys, I just need to keep really focused on this stuff, right? I just don't want to miss anything for you guys. So I've got a lot of work to do. I have to get set up for tomorrow. Tomorrow's Friday, and it is what it is. And I really appreciate you guys coming and hanging out with me and giving me some info here. It really helps. We're approaching 30. There you go. There you go. Okay, I'm just gonna put this on here. Sorry, guys. Okay, D, are you still on here? D? Sorry, I just gotta get a hold of D here. Yeah, Sanjay, it would have been. I just, you guys have you guys been seeing that though, too, about that Vanguard thing? I know. It's weird. It's probably bullshit. Per J. I can't. Right on. What is? Oh, sorry. You were asking me. I was reading something else. What is your prediction for Friday? Friday. I'll see you tomorrow. D, if you're on there, I'm going to be sending you an email. Let's do our podcast on Google right now. Yeah, we could do something maybe tomorrow night. I'll think about it. We'll have a chat tomorrow. D, there you are. Hey, girl. I'll be sending you a link right now, and we'll do our chat. Okay. I got some stuff I got to talk to you about, anyways. So it's all good. It's all good. So I'm kind of happy to actually talk to you about some stuff. So, anyways, my friends, you guys keep it real, and see you here tomorrow morning. Okay, I love you, Wolfpack. AA's here. Have a good day.